Okay, so I'm doing a summertime glowy makeup look. So that means we're gonna be doing, you know, like shimmery highlights. Yeah, just a glowy look. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quickly. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on my eyelid to, I guess, prime, but honestly more to like even out my skin tone on my eyelids. Then I'm going to go in with my mini Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to be using this color Zulu, and I'm just going to honestly like apply this all over my lids. I usually do a color that's like a brownish, orange, nudish type of color. I usually like put that all over my lid and then just blend it out. Very simple with my eyes these days. Then I'm going to go in with this color here and just apply this to the inner corners of my lid to add a little sparkle. And the eye is done. Very simple around these parts. So I'm just going to put on my mascara and my lash really quickly, and then we're going to come back. Okay, so my lashes are on. So now we're going to get into my face. Going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I'm going to use my NARS Soft Matte. This is what I would usually use in the summertime. I don't know if I'm this color yet, but almost. We may not be there yet because it is kind of my darker shade, but it's okay. We're going to use it today because it's what I would use in the summertime. And then we blend. Since it's a little bit darker, I'm just going to go ahead and use a lighter concealer. This is a number 9, my Juvia's Place. I think it's the I Am Magic concealer. Okay, so I let this sit for a while, so I'm just going to start blending her out. So now I'm going to use my pressed powder by Black Radiance, and I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes and most of the places that I highlighted. Then I'm going to go in with my Fenty setting powder. This is in the color Honey, and I'm just going to set my under eyes. So like bake. Maybe, maybe not. Then I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the color Mocha Mami. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray with my setting spray. Now we're going to get into the blush. So I'm going to be using the Saharan blush palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here. This is the color Toby. So this is very, very similar to my Soft Glam, but with this, since it is like a glowy look, I'm going to add highlighter. Yeah, I haven't used highlighter on myself since like probably like 2019. I've been using it more lately, but like, you know, we don't really be doing the highlighter looks anymore. We're more like soft matte, soft glam. We don't do highlight like we used to back in like 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You know, those eras. So I'm gonna try. And I like a soft like matte on myself personally because I have oily skin. So I'm just gonna take this same brush and I'm just gonna try to use this color Zara right here and get what I can get out of it, and just put that on my cheeks and I guess like the bridge of my nose, maybe my cupid's bow. I don't know, I'm gonna see. We're just gonna make it like super glowy, but I don't want it to be like greasy looking, but let's see. We're getting there. I think this is all I'm gonna do because I don't want to do too much. So I'm gonna do one more spray. I'm gonna use this spray, the Makeup Revolution Infinite Spray. So I'm gonna go back to the Masquerade mini palette. I think I'm gonna use this color here. I think it's Giza, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner because we're all about the glow. So I'm just gonna add my mascara. Okay, so it's time to get into the lips. I'm just gonna line my lips and put on a cute little gloss. I really don't know which gloss I want to wear. I have these two. This is the NYX Butter Gloss and a bit of honey, and this one is a pink rose gloss that I got from Forever 21. Let's do a bit of honey too. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be my go-to look in the summertime. It is so cute, super glowy. It's gonna look even better in the sun. I don't know, should I take my hair down? We're gonna see what it looks like with my hair down. Okay guys, I think I like it better with my hair down. I feel like it gives goddess, period. Yeah, it looks really cute with my hair down. So yeah, this is the finished look. a nice cute glowy summer look. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down below.